morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as we promised, we'll show you a walkthrough, a step-by-step process of how to install the FitPro support app for your Android smartphone. As you can see here, we already downloaded the support app. Okay, if you want to download the app for your Android smartphone, you can either search the FitPro app on Google Play or scan the QR code that comes with the user manual. If it happens that you lose the user manual, you can check it here. It's available on or in the support app. Let me show it to you. Okay, long press here. So we have here the support app. Okay, we already installed the FitPro app. Okay, so let's try to open and reconnect it or connect it to our smartwatch. Again, it will ask for some permissions. Okay, for the meantime, try to accept all the permissions. Okay, if you're not comfortable with it, okay, other permissions that the smartwatch or the app is asking, you can set it to off when you successfully installed or connect your smartwatch to your support app. Okay, for the meantime, let's agree to all the permissions that the support app is asking. So allow FitPro to access photos, media files on your device. Just tap allow. Allow FitPro to access this device location. Allow also. Again, the FitPro app is available in iOS and Android platform. So this one, what we are trying to show you, the demonstration here, is to connect or synchronize our Y68 smartwatch to the Android support app. Okay, our next video will be for the iOS platform. Okay, so we have here the UI of the support app, FitPro app. Again, if you just encountered some errors or problems with your Y68 smartwatch, if you are having an issue in connecting or installing the app and connecting the smartwatch to your support app, we have an article below. Just check out the links below for instructions on troubleshooting your issues with the Y68 smartwatch. So we have here some options, push notifications here. We also have the over the air upgrade here, and that's it. So here it says device is disconnected. So let's try to bind the smartwatch. So tap, so it will scan for the smartwatch. Again, so let's check the version here. So make it sure. So we have a lot of devices here that is being shown. So as you can see here, we have the Mi Smart Band 4, Vibe 3 Pro, U78 Plus. We also have the GTS. So what is our smartwatch here? What is the Y68 smartwatch here? So based on the settings here, we have the LH719 version 0.2. Okay, again, you can check it here on the settings. If you can't find the name here, Y68 smartwatch, just go here for the settings of your smartwatch and check for the version number or the product number of your smartwatch. As you can see here, LH719. So I think this one. So tap on the LH719. So Bluetooth based connection here completed, time setting completed, all completed. Okay, so that's it. So we're already connected. We are already synchronized with our smartwatch. Let's check again. So let's try. Synchronization is complete. That was fast. Very good. Okay, again, let's try. Start measure. We'll check. Okay, as you can see here, the heart rate monitor here is also activated, as well as the blood oxygen and the blood pressure. So 88. Although we did not try to use the sensor here. Okay, so don't expect this smartwatch to provide an accurate result of your health stats. Okay, we have here the stats here, the screen brightness, remove take photos, other functions here. Let's check. So vibrate settings is on. What else? We have the steps, user profile. So let's check if there's an available watch face here. Seems like there's no other options, so only message notifications here. So what are the available apps? We have the call reminder here, SMS, WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, Line, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So it doesn't support Skype, KakaoTalk, and LinkedIn. Okay, how about this one? Does it work? Remote take photos, allow. Okay, so I guess shake or tap. I guess it's a tap. 3, 2, 1. So there's a timer. Okay, again, let's try. Okay, screen here, wrist up, activated, successful. So far, as you can see here, we did not encounter any issues with the installation and connecting your smartwatch to the support app, the FitPro app. Very smooth connectivity, very smooth installation, but still it depends upon the version of your smartwatch as well as your support app for the smartphone. Okay, so try to check the compatibility for any issues. Okay, see, still if you have any problems, check out our tutorial below to see some solutions on the synchronization or problem in connecting your smartwatch to your smartphone. But so far we did not encounter any issues with the connecting of or adding the device to your support app. Okay, very fast connection. So far, that's it. If you have any questions regarding our tutorial here, please drop a comment below. If you are using the iOS platform, you can still download the app. It is supported in the App Store. If you want to see the tutorial on installing the support app on your iPhone, watch out for our next video. Okay, so this one it is for Android platform. If you want to check all the specifications of this one, we also have the link below, and check also our initial review. Okay, as we go on, we will provide you a very or just an in-depth review of the Y68 Smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.